Good morning, guys! Today, we're gonna go to Daiso. Mamimili kami ng box para sa Pilipinas. So, samahan nyo kami. Yung Daiso na pinupuntahan namin noon, permanently closed na siya. So, we're gonna try to find another Daiso that's big enough for us to explore and shop. Pogi yan eh. Nox.
A colony that runs independently. I think I'll overtake you. She's the one so away.
We're here in Daiso now. Let's see how big it is. We don't. Yeah, we don't know how big it is, and I miss Takashima Daira Daiso love.
It's still the same price.
I know, but
Just two.
okay. Let's see. Can we go there?
Yeah, okay.
The panty and bra.
Maybe we'll get action shots.
Action shot. Don't overdo it.
I'm not overdoing it. I'm perfectly accurately doing it.
Okay, these are the bras. I like Lola panty. Oh, here I think. Let's see. Stop doing it.
Wait a second.
Shut. Stop doing
We have a
it.
drone.
Drone.
We
It's
need-
500
we need a
yen.
drone shot.
Really?
Yes.
For one box?
Oh wait, no. Sorry, there's two in there.
Yeah.
1,000.
So 1,000 something. Okay, I'll get this.
296.
Okay. It's like you're playing bahay-bahayan. Kawaii. My husband is so poggy. I love you. So far, this is what we got. Yeah, we're done. So far, this is what we got. Lots of curry and okashi. So we're done now shopping. So we're just gonna take lunch and go home. Yeah, since it's already lunch, we have to get some food, and so we do have.
Whipped.
We only well,
Which isn't a healthy option.
yeah, it's McDo.
Hey, it's got lettuce. Big Mac has vegetables.
Oh no, I don't like it. But yeah, he has to go to work after this. That's why we don't have time.
It's
so-
Saturday.
Yeah, why you have work?
For money. You need to make money. Let's go.
Yeah, he's working on it. You like my outfit?
Yeah.
Here, no?
Yeah.
Welcome to McDo.
Am I going first? Okay, no, you're going first. Okay. You look like you're opening for me. Taking it home. That's a good
Yeah,
question.
yeah. That's so cute and
Do you want
not
that
available.
too?
Yes, please. Yes. I don't know if I can zoom in like very We got our McDonald's. I just want you, babe.
Yeah.
Bye.
On Saturday.
Yeah, take care, love.
Yep.
I love you.
Love you too. Bye. Come here. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, since we are at home now, we will have to start packing up the box. Kasi tagal na tagal na nakastock ng mga gamit, hindi ko pa rin nababox. Panoorin niyo ako mag-box. Sa mga magpapasabay nga pala dyan, just PM me in my page and usap tayo. So now, try natin buuin yung box. Dapat tutulungan ako ni David dito ngayon, kaso nga, may trabaho siya. Noon, hindi niya na ako nagawang tulungan. It's okay. Strong, independent woman naman tayo. So, kaya natin to. Dami namang scotch tape ni Kuya ba yan na hand cargo? Sa kanila nga pala ako nagpapadala ng kahon every time kasi trusted na sila dito sa Japan. Ito yung jumbo size nila na unlimited yung pwede mong ilaman. No? So, kaya ako siya dito binubuo sa baba kasi nasa second floor yung bahay namin. May hirapan silang i-pick up. So, ayan na. Nabuksan ko din. Pero ang ay. Sorry sa kapitbahay. Okay. Dapat safe yung ilalim ng box nyo kasi hindi mabuslo. Ano ba yung mabuslo? Malalim na word yun na Tagalog. Kumangyan ka, alam mo yun. Hello sa mga kamangyan. Pamangyan po here. Yeah, we're ready to baliktad the box. And there you go. Diyan nyo nga pala isusulat yung details ng ipapadala nyo. Bawal na ngayon magpadala ng bigas. Okay. Dati noon, talagang doble-doble. Pwede pa, ngayon hindi na. Ay. Let me get the things that I will put in the box. And I'll be back. Ayan, may pagbibigyanan nga pala ako nitong gown ko na to. Ganda, no? Ang ganda niya, diba? Ito yung ginamit ko for my prenup. Bibigay ko siya dun sa anak ng kasambahay namin. Kasi kakasal siya, tsaka, ayan, wala pa siyang wedding gown, so, idodonate ko na to sa kanya. Ayan, dami pa. Ayan na yung loob. Mapagkakasya ko yan. Magtiwala ka lang. Sakit na sa likod, ha? Masakit na siya sa likod. Anyway, alam niyo ba, guys? Kwento ko lang sa inyo, no? First time kong nawalan ng gamit dito sa Japan. Kasi kakabili ko lang noon ng pabango at na The Alba First Zero. Tapos, nag-CR ako noon kasi syempre, galing sa lunch. Tapos, naiwan ko siya sa cubicle ng toilet. Tapos, ito naman si makakalimutin. Mabas ng parang walang dala, no? So, yung shopping bag nandun sa loob ng cubicle. Tapos, I just went on my day. Naalala ko na lang siya after ko magpa-nails. So, paglabas ko, diretso ako sa nail salon. Tapos, after noon, ko pala naalala na, parang may nakakalimutan ako. Parang may dala ako kanina, ha? Nasaan na yun? Doon ko naalala na meron pala akong binili na. Ito lang naman na amount. Is ichimang lang naman. Pero malaki pa rin yun. Ayun. Sayang. Nakakapanghinayang kasi hindi na nabalik sa akin. Kahit nareklamo ko dun sa security guard. Lesson learned na lang. Ganun talaga siguro. Aanga-anga lang. Ang lola mo. Ito nga pala yung favorite kong inumin dito sa Japan. Calpis water. Try nyo rin pag pumunta kayo dito. Okay, we're down to okashi na lang. So, usually, nilalagay ko siya sa top. Para may hangin pa rin siya. And we're done. Last is this one. The gown. Mga carpet. Carpet. Para doon sa condominium. Okay. Kulang pa dito ng mga ilang pang chocolates. And then, we're good to go. For now, I'll close this. Just to make sure na walang kukuha. Nakakadala. Yan. Safe. Sa wakas, tapos na din. See you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye, Alicians.